Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. This is what to expect on my brother's keeper this coming week. On Monday, Puseletso makes a hard choice between the men she loves. Didi's friend is shocked by Didi's confessions and intentions. Sbu is surprised and touched by Donga's support. On Tuesday, Ndumiso stands up to his father and makes him to apologize for disrespecting Puseletso. Thoba tells Boo that Didi likes him but begs his cousin not to act on it because he likes Musa. On Wednesday, Ndumiso threatens to move out of home over his parents' disrespect of his wife. Mamchunu reveals the truth of the affair to Donga with a directive. Tell Ndumiso, Busiso asked Musawake on a date on Thoba's instructions. On Thursday, Mamchunu sets the record straight with Puseletso about where they stand. Ndumiso has the wrong end of the stick. Thoba's pursuit of Didi proves to be challenging. Her sights are set on Busiso. On Friday, Puseletso has turned into a para in the Mshengu household. Ndumiso is still oblivious to scandal unfolding around him, and when Mshengu offers him advice wrapped in a poisoned chalice, Ndumiso falls for it. Thank you for watching. Bye.